the first time since August 27 na magkakaroon tayo ng 5-set match. The last time that happened, it was FEU against Meralco. Nanalo po Meralco doon. And Eulalio almost connecting again there with Soraya. This time, tipat shot. Nagparamdam ka agad. Tadeo, binuhay. Binuhay ulit ni Marciano. Eto ngayon si David, tinawid. Jonela, combination, tipat shot. Nice block by the twin. Here's Concepcion ngayon, going to Marciano. A great block by Eulalio. Concepcion, Marciano!
I think, well, this is the first time that Cagayan Valley is facing a 5-setter game.
Yeah, just the first time this season that they are in 5 sets. At si Marciano, doon may kita, tapang talaga nitong batang to. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Veronica Concepcion on the serve. Soraya ngayon, going to tipat shot again, and tipat shot hits zone 1. Easily. Tied at 1. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Pomla Soraya.
It's the race to 15 points here for both teams.
Nice serve there from Soraya. Here's Concepcion. Out of position, that to win. Nice dig by Soraya. Maizo, matras. Concepcion, they go to Marciano again. And Marciano delivers again.
Itong dalawang teams sa to, well, kahit saan pupunta yung bola, ibibigay nila sa open. It's either tipat shot or it's either Marciano. Sino ba ang pupuntahan ng bola
Ayun,
dito?
patayan na sa open at least dito sa pagsimula nitong ating 5th set. Race to 15 lang po ito. Mikasas, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Soraya, quick set again to win at Eulalio. Yan ang naging 1-2 combination talaga nila na almost sure points ang nakukuha rito ng Rising Suns.
Kuwang-kuha ni Soraya ang pagsiset kay Eulalio kasi Eulalio mabilis pumasok and Soraya mabilis mag-set. So, kuwang-kuha nila yung pag-gen lang dalawa.
Well, ngayon si Soriano, yung middle hitter niya, nasa likod na itong si Eulalio. Here's Concepcion now, going to Molina, and that hit the antenna. So, 3-2. May mga nagsasabi nga, dapat yung antenna na yung inaatras na lang ng konti.
To give way naman to the spikers. Mahirap din naman.
Yung antenna po, indicator yan kung out eh. Tadeo. Concepcion. Marciano galing kabila naman. Nice block by Soriano. Hindi na nabalik yan ni Concepcion.
Pero pwede pa yun. Muntikan na niyang mahabol.
Basta nasa likod naman ng antena, handa ng bola. 4-2. Maagang pag-init para dito sa Cagayan Valley. Tandaan natin, 15 points lang ito ha. Race to 15 lang ito. Well, technically, race to 15 lang eh. Pag paano yan? Pag 14 on, di ba?
Yes.
And Marciano connects again. Actually, the longest match in the 5th set that I have ever covered dito rin sa Shakey's V-League was, I think it was Perpetual against Maynilad, 32-30, 5th set.
Wow. I think around that score din ang pinakamatagal ko na laro na 5th set and I forgot against Huna.
Sa UAP naman yun.
Yes.
Tipachot returns it to nobody. Hindi naman na-convert yun ni Molina. Tipachot this time will not make a mistake. Na-imbier na si Tipachot sa
Imbier na.
tira niya. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Tipachot naman is going for that down the line hit and yung down the line niya hindi lang basta-basta doon but sa corner talaga malapit na mag-out.
Well, ito ngayon, Tipachot with a dying floater. Hirap talaga kunin yung mga ganon.
She's making a statement here na, Coach, wag mo kasi ako ilalabas.
Well, experimental nga ito. This is the last game in the preliminary round para sa Cagayan Valley. So, you are 6 wins and no losses. Pwede ka mag-experiment. But again, ito yung naging trend sa Cagayan Valley. Isang ace, isang service error. So ngayon, ito si David. Christine David, babad na babad dito. Hindi na nakabalik si Camilo Gana. And a bad reception from Tipachot.
Back-to-back errors for Cagayan Valley.
Ito na naman, pakuntihan na error. Tama sinasabi mo, Michelle, yung trend. Kung sino mas maraming error, yun na natatalo sa set. Dito, bawal na magkamali. Race to 15 lang ito.
Every point counts.
Soriano. Nice drop by Pau. So 7-5, dalawang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Trying to stay undefeated through the preliminary round.
At least naman with that powerhouse lineup of Cagayan Valley now, hindi nagpapalayo ang PNP.
Right. At si Sangwang talagang fully adjusted na rito sa kanyang mga bagong kakampi. Tabakero. Nice dig by Tadeo. And Sangwang miscalculated that time. 8-5. Time for our mini changeover. Lamang po ng tatlo rito ang Cagayan Valley. Nilipat na sila rito sa kabila. Yun ang sasabi nga ni Sev, hindi niya maintindihan sa volleyball eh. Bakit ba kailangan lumipat-lipat pa?
Ako ang pagkakaintindi ko sa paglipat na yan kasi you never know if one court has the higher advantage. Kasi hindi mo rin alam kung yung ilaw, kung yung crowd ba, or home court mo ba yung kabila. So to give it fair play, at least sa fifth set, maglilipat din sila ng court.
Well, Tabaquero is able to score off the hands of Molina. 9-5 ang ating score ngayon. Tadeo. Concepcion. Sangwang. Here's Soraya! May isang araw pa ginagawa ni Soraya yan. Maizo serving. Marciano. Here's Molina now. Nice dig again there coming from Tipachot this time. Pao Soriano. Combination. Sangwang. Yes, and that was off the touch. So si Sangwang nasa harapan. Kailangan talaga puntahan ng PNP ito. The twin returns in front. Molina will be doing the serving.
Someone needs to step up kasi si Marciano pag nasa likod, medyo bungi ang spikers eh.
Bad reception that time from Aiza Maizo. So 10-7 at kailangan yata ng masahe nitong si Pomla Soraya.
Kanina pa siya Noel nagka-tumbling dito sa court trying
Right.
to get those misreceives coming from their teammates.
Lahat ng second ball inahabol niya. Molina rather. Here is Soraya. Angge. Cross court. Sangmuang is there. Babalik sa panig ng Cagayan Valley. Back set one more time sa open and Angge delivers. Tignan natin dito. Ang huling palo. Looks like Angge Tabaquero has stepped up at just the right time. And of course, our slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Antiperspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. So 11-7. 4 na puntos na lang ang kailangan dito ng Cagayan Valley.
Kahit fifth set na Noel, walang pagbabago dun
Right.
sa pagpalo ni Tabaquero. Talagang power pa rin talaga ang power, walang pagod.
Soraya digs that one up. Eulalio sets it up for Angge. And Angge goes long. Oy, check ball. Ang gulat ni The Twin na tinawagan siya ng check ball doon. So balik na naman sa 5 kalamangan ngayon ng Cagayan Valley.
Wala daw check ball, sabi ng PNP. But of course, the call of the first referee will stand.
Right. Oh. Sangmuang misses. Pao Soriano. Sangmuang. Maizo. Soraya gives it up. The Twin. One more time. Soraya. Angge. Lusot. Ando naman si Sangmuang. Sangmuang off the hands of Eulalio.
Sangwang is doing her best para lang maiangat yung teammates niya at this point.
Ang problema, napunta na siya sa likuran.
Yes.
Pero
but
si Marciano naman nasa harap. Sangmuang. Maizo, hindi rin na naman nakuha. That's the second time in this set that Aiza Maizo could not field in a serve.
she looks frustrated Noel with that misreceive. Pangalawa na yan in this set.
Right? 13-9. Jonela, sumaklolo na. Eulalio cannot get the push. Uy! What was the call?
Nag-touch daw sa kamay ng setter. Pero ang sabi ng coaches ng PNP, it didn't go over the net.
That was evident.